I just figured I'd check in. I think I'm gonna start doing these short little vlog types. But I was sitting here looking at this motorcycle, thinking, how am I gonna start this? And I thought, aha, I'm gonna let you guys decide. So I got this 71 motor, Paco frame, long springer, made by some aftermarket company, ratchet transmission, all the cool guy stuff. But I'm trying to sit here and think, what do I need to do first? I want to do the brakes and things first and put all the stuff that's boring on here, but do not do that. You got to go backwards. I got to put the tank on. I need to cut the tabs off and weld tabs on. So a tank is one video. In order to do the drivetrain, I got to fix the transmission. So that's another video. So I'm kind of leaning towards transmission. The other thing is this thing's starting to look a little rusty. I got to clean it up, but that's not a big deal. And I got to do the fender and the sissy bar. So those are all different videos, and that should get it to kind of, I don't know, I wouldn't say start up, but I could get closer to wiring it and thinking about all that. It's just, where do I go from here? I ordered parts for this thing, all the boring stuff. I did new electronics, which I'll go over once I get all that stuff. I got some brake stuff, still kind of figuring that out. I need to figure out this sprocket, and that's kind of it, honestly. And then this fender, I'm gonna mock up. I'm gonna paint it. It's pretty chewed up. It's cool, it's skinny, but it is pretty haggard. It's got a lot of holes in it. I probably won't fill them in. I'll probably just put trinkets in them or something goofy. And I got to figure out where I'm going to put certain things. Coil, how I'm going to start the thing. Thinking about it like that, it's a lot of stuff. It's not like a weekend thing. It would be if I had all the stuff and I didn't care. I could probably get it ripping. Probably not go down the street very well. But the fabrication and all the things I need to source, it always takes the most amount of time. The most amount of time is just spent cobbling stuff, and that's all I've been doing for this. That's why I haven't been pecking away at this thing, because I want to have stuff to do and not say, oh, I got the sissy bar and the seat, but no fender, or I got the fender and the sissy bar is wrong, and whatever. Also, the seat's kind of weird, and I want to put the seat on a hinge, because right now it's got a goofy setup. I'll go over that in a video. I'm not really sure, but otherwise, pretty much ready to put this tank on. So I'm kind of thinking that might be the first video, because once this tank goes on, I can kind of line everything up and make it look the same as the tank. The other thing is that trans has a leaky bolt in the bottom, so I'm thinking I might tear it apart and put it back together, put new seals and stuff in it, and just check it out. I don't know. What do you think? Tank, trans, what else would you want to see? Because you're going to see it eventually, but what do you want me to start with? I'm going to leave it up to you guys. The other thing is, check out my web store. I got some new stuff on there, and I put new cups, hats, and beanies. I'm trying to keep it simple. I took it off, so I'm just going to put whatever I think is cool on there. And I might, after the new year, get a round of t-shirts going, but I'm going to have them made, handmade, and I'll have maybe 30 of them made, so might be a pre-order type situation. The other thing is, my garage is insane right now, so the new year is going to start off with me putting all my tools and things away. The bench that you're sitting on is insane, because I did 3 or 4 different things on it, left the tools, left the things, and then I've been putting stuff on top of it. So that'll be helpful. I can rebuild the trans on the table. Maybe even weld some stuff better, get my welding situation all dialed in. I need to weld the stand the welder goes on. I can even show you a video of that, but that's something I took from a local shopping center, and I was gonna cut it up and make a table for my welder. My swing arm, man, the video that's gonna come out after this, I started messing with the timing plug. That went way south. So that's going to be another headache video. That bike is a crazy lemon. I squirted a lot of tears in that video. So be prepared for that. I don't expect even one view on that one, because it's just me blowing it. So I don't know what's up with that bike. It's raining right now. It really needs to be ridden, and I don't think it's going to be ridden too much in the next week anyways. Wintertime here is real wet, but we are getting a lot of dry days. Thought I'd be off for work, so that's kind of a bummer. So I'm still working. There's a show coming up I'm going to try to go to, Frisco Chopper show. I'm going to try to just trailer. I was trying to take the Shovelhead down there, but it's not looking too hot. So I might take my Sporty down there, chopper, and just bang around SF by myself. See anybody else who wants to go down there, and it's kind of fun to go by myself. I got a route or two planned out that I might go check out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. You tell me in the comments what you want to see in a trip video like that. But I'm gonna go check out that show. 6 hours from here, so I gotta nerd out and trailer down there just to kill time. The weather's probably gonna be hit or miss, but if it's nice, I might just jam down there on my bike and sleep at the beach or something. I don't know. Otherwise, yeah, I just wanted to make a little vlog type video. So I don't know what you guys think, but should I call them vlogs or should I make up some clickbaity thing? I hate making clickbait stuff. I'm not really a clickbait guy. I figured people are watching my videos and I have a little bit of a following, so I can make videos like this and people will just kind of watch them. The other thing is I got a super. Shout out to this person. I'll put it somewhere all over the screen, make it cool. Dude, shout out to that guy. Gave me money. That's insane. Anybody who gives me any type of money out of the blue is props to you, man. I appreciate all of it. I don't know where it is or what's going on with it, but someday it'll be in an account and I'm gonna put it straight into this tank and rip it down the street for you. Might even get the front wheel up for you. 12 o'clocker. Just kidding, it's a chopper. Probably go 1 to 3 degrees up in the air, and I'll be so excited it'll be worth all that free money I got. Hopefully everybody had a good new year. I don't know what's going on here. I'm probably gonna putz around, try to buy more parts, try to figure out what I'm gonna do with this thing, edit this video, and New Year's, same me. Let me know what you want to do with this bike. It's kind of up to you guys. I know what I'm gonna do. It always helps for a little bit of input. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, and thanks again for everyone. See ya.